Poltix Fiber Filler is semi-flexible polyester resin filler with glass fiber reinforcement. Poltix Fiber Filler is suitable for repairing damage to a medium-sized polyester laminate. Always use the recommended personal protection during application. For small damage repair, you can use IJmofix or Poltix Super Filler. For medium damage, it is best to use Poltix Fiber Filler. For larger holes, you can use the Poltix Repair Kit or Poltix Laminating Resin Set with fiberglass. In this film, we will demonstrate deep cut laminate repairs. After cleaning, degreasing and sanding, the surface should be degreased one more time with double coat degreaser. To remove the last specks of dust, you may use a tack cloth. Open the lid of the base component. Weigh the required quantity in a clean mixing cup or on a small piece of cardboard. Add the hardener in the right proportion. 100 parts by weight base and 2 parts by weight hardener. Mix the components thoroughly before use. Only mix as much as you can apply within the processing time. Apply the Poltix Fiber Filler with a putty knife or rubber. Make the surface as smooth as possible to avoid additional sanding. 120 minutes after drying at 20 degrees Celsius and sanding with P120 to P180 paper, the IJmofix HB coating or double coat can be applied. Best of luck!